In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Ubersuggest Pro for free. If you've been interested in SEO tools but have been hesitant due to the cost, you're in for a treat. Ubersuggest offers a wealth of features absolutely free. So let's get started on how you can access these powerful tools. First, we need to head over to Ubersuggest's homepage, open up your preferred web browser, and navigate to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. This is where all the magic happens. Once there, take a moment to glance over the various features that Ubersuggest offers. Familiarizing yourself with these options ensures you'll make the most of the tool. The next step is to create a free account. This is super straightforward. Look for the sign up/login button, usually located at the top right of the page. Click on that and you'll be prompted to register. You have two main options here. You can either sign up using your email address or opt for a quicker sign up through your Google account. By doing this, you'll gain access to Ubersuggest's permanent free tier, which provides a wide range of SEO data and analytics at no cost. For an enhanced experience, especially if you're an avid user of Chrome, it's highly recommended to install the Ubersuggest Chrome extension. Head over to the Chrome web store and search for Ubersuggest Chrome extension. Once found, just click Add to Chrome and follow the prompts. This extension seamlessly integrates with your searches on Google, YouTube, and Amazon, displaying keyword metrics right alongside your search results. This tool is optional, but it's incredibly handy and makes keyword research so much more integrated into your daily browsing. Now, with your account set up and the extension installed, it's time to start using Ubersuggest to its full potential. Look for the search bar on the homepage, enter a keyword or a topic you have in mind. This could be anything relevant to your niche or area of interest. Don't forget to select the correct country and language settings before clicking on search. This ensures you get data that's most applicable to your target audience. Once the search results appear, explore the keyword ideas section. This is your treasure trove of SEO insights. You'll notice options for related, questions, prepositions, and comparisons, all of which provide different angles on your original keyword. Spend some time going through these suggestions, and if you find anything valuable, be sure to either save it directly to your Ubersuggest account or copy it into your notes for future use. And there you have it. You now know how to access and make the most out of Ubersuggest Pro's features for free. With these tools at your disposal, you're well equipped to enhance your SEO strategy without any costs involved. Happy optimizing!